In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Kit. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what each option does. By the end, you'll be able to confidently update your account name inside Kit's settings whenever you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're on any main page within the app or dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see either your avatar, which is usually a small profile picture, or your current name displayed there. This is your account menu. Go ahead and click on that avatar or name. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main settings area where you can control different aspects of your account. Once you're inside Settings, you'll see several tabs or sections. Look for the one called Account. This is where your personal account details live. Click on the Account tab to open it. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with what's there. You should see fields related to your profile information. Within the Account tab, find the field labeled Account Name. This is the internal name associated with your Kit account. It might be your own name, a team name, or a company name, depending on how your account was originally set up. This is the field we're going to update. Click inside the Account Name field. Delete the existing text if needed, and type in the new name you want to use. Be sure to double-check spelling and capitalization. This name may be used in various places inside Kit, so it's worth taking a second to get it just right. If this is for a business or team, you might want to keep it consistent with how your name appears in other tools. After you've entered your new account name, don't forget the most important part: saving your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Save button. Click Save to apply your new name. Kit will process the update, and in most cases, you should see the new name reflected right away in your account area. If the name doesn't appear to change immediately, try refreshing your browser page. Once it updates, you're done. You've successfully changed your internal account name in